In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule or delay delivery of emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever finished writing an email late at night and wished it would arrive first thing in the morning, this is exactly what you need. We'll be using Outlook on the web, which works in any modern browser and doesn't require installing anything. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook and select the official Outlook website from Microsoft. Sign into your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look for the New Mail button, usually near the top left. Click it to open a fresh message window. Begin composing your email as you normally would. Add your recipient in the To field, and if needed, include CC or BCC. Add a clear subject so your recipient knows what to expect at a glance. Then write your message in the main body area. This is a great time to proofread, check links, and make sure any attachments are included. A quick review now helps you avoid editing later, especially when you're scheduling something to go out automatically. When your email looks good, focus on the Send button area. Next to Send, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options and choose Schedule Send. In some versions, this may appear as Send Later, but the idea is the same. A scheduling window will appear where you can pick the exact date and time you want the message to be delivered. Select the date that fits your plan, then set the time. Pay attention to the time zone shown in Outlook. It uses the time zone configured in your account settings. If the time seems off, double-check your time zone in Outlook's settings later, so future schedules align with your local time. When you've set the schedule, confirm your choice. Finally, click Send. Don't worry, this won't send the email immediately. Instead, Outlook will queue it for the time you selected and deliver it automatically. You can close your browser or even turn off your computer. The message will still send because it's handled by Outlook's servers. If you ever need to review a scheduled message, look for a scheduled or similar folder in your mailbox. From there, you can open the message to adjust the time or cancel it before it goes out. And that's it. You now know how to schedule emails in Outlook so your messages arrive exactly when they should, without you being at your desk.